Tim Blake Nelson will play the main antagonist in Captain America New World Order, and here are a few more details. First glimpses at the cast. Marvel's president Kevin Feige made a lot of interesting announcements during the Marvel Studios segment of the Studio Showcase at D23, including con-exclusive trailers and first glimpses at the cast of the next Phase 5 movies and television shows. Anthony Mackie's first solo outing as Captain America, which follows The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, is one of those eagerly awaited movies. Captain America New World Order, whose director is Julius Ona, is still mostly a mystery, but we do know who the movie's antagonist is. Tim Blake Nelson. Yes, Samuel Stearns from the much-ignored The Incredible Hulk movie from over 15 years ago. Fascinating choice of villain. It's not entirely surprising that the MCU is dipping into the basket of characters and dropping them into other upcoming projects, since The Incredible Hulk, which starred Edward Norton as Bruce Banner, has recently been brought back into discussion, with Tim Roth resuming his role as Abomination in She-Hulk, which stars Mark Ruffalo as Bruce Banner. However, at least some fans may be hesitant, since Nelson was cast as the purported villain. Given the real-life connotations of the term New World Order, which has been used by anti-Semitic conspiracy theorists throughout the 20th and 21st centuries, Nelson's casting as the villain in the movie is undoubtedly a fascinating one. Representation in the MCU. When it comes to Jewish representation, the MCU hasn't exactly had the finest track record, especially after casting Elizabeth Olsen and Aaron Taylor Johnson in parts that are inextricably linked to their comic book roots as Jews and Romanis respectively. For their portrayal of the comic book character Mark Spector, Oscar Isaac, who is the son of a Jewish rabbi, which is a crucial element of his journey under the control of Khonshu, Moon Knight came under fire even within the last year. All of which are intriguing decisions, given that Stan Lee, the man behind Marvel, was raised in a Jewish family, which is reflected in all of the characters he created. However, there may be an opportunity for Captain America New World Order to counteract the prevalent and damaging discourse associated with the film's name. It wouldn't be the first time a Marvel villain turned out to be less nasty than first thought, but more significantly, let's hope that whatever course the movie takes won't diminish the significance of Mackie's depiction of Sam Wilson's debut as Captain America. Captain America New World Order, a title with several potential connotations and a nod to the filmmaker of Sam Wilson's debut film as the new Captain America, has been given formal confirmation by Marvel. After receiving the shield from Chris Evans' Steve Rogers at the conclusion of Avengers Endgame, Sam officially underwent the transformation from Falcon into the next Captain America in The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. After Falcon and Winter Soldier ended, there were rumors that Mackie will return for Captain America 4, and Captain America New World Order was announced at San Diego Comic-Con in 2022. Highly anticipated. One of the most anticipated MCU films is Captain America New World Order, which is a part of Marvel's Phase 5 slate and the first to be entirely focused on a legacy hero. Few more specifics regarding the film haven't been revealed as of yet, but because Falcon and Winter Soldier covered so much of Sam's road to receiving the Captain America shield, New World Order will be able to pick up with him somewhat more established. Even so, there are plenty of possibilities just from the title. Why Sam Wilson and Captain America 4 must still earn the shield. It's interesting to note that Sam Wilson's Captain America has previously touched on the concept of the New World Order. In fact, the first episode of The Falcon and the Winter Soldier was named New World Order, and the series continued to explore this theme by focusing on the Flag Smashers' efforts to uphold the stateless society that had emerged after Thanos' snap was undone and Earth's population was recovered. However, Captain America New World Order's title hints that it may be depicting more of either that aftermath or a world that's farther from an ever-changing world as the universe continues to open up, even if the episode had seemed to have closed everything up due to Sam's passionate speech. As Sam's Captain America leads the MCU's new hierarchy of heroes, it also makes sense in a meta manner. Alternatively, it could be a reference to the New World Order from Marvel Comics, which has ties to a well-known villain from Captain America, the Red Skull. Plot of New World Order. In Marvel Comics, Red Skull established the New World Order, a villainous group that includes members like Juggernaut and Mentallo that seeks to rule the world. Although the New World Order doesn't have a very long history, it does include an encounter with the Hulk, whom they brainwash and finally defeat after using him as a weapon against the Avengers for a while. After then, they would go on with their efforts, but without the Red Skull's assistance. There isn't a lot of that can be directly translated to the MCU right now, but it could still serve as the inspiration for Captain America New World Order's plot, a secret organization founded by Red Skull that still exists in some form, or a new iteration of it that seeks to honor his legacy and establish the titular order of Captain America 4. Given that it's unknown what happened to Red Skull after the Soul Stone was taken from Vormir, his reappearance would be unlikely, but there is thematic value in a group being founded or inspired by him. The legacy of Captain America versus the legacy of the Red Skull. As a result, New World Order would nicely reflect Captain America, the first Avenger, and also fit with the story and themes established in Phase 4 as well. Naturally, it's likely that the title of Captain America New World Order has little to do with it, since Marvel often ignores the comics and is more connected to Flag Smashers, the consequences from Avengers Endgame, or something else, well, new. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon to stay notified of our latest videos. We'll see you again soon, but until then, take care and goodbye.